Have you ever wondered why some people stay fit and active well into their 60s and beyond, without ever stepping foot in a gym? Well, it's not just luck or genetics. It's a fascinating concept called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And it's time we dive into this often overlooked aspect of fitness. You see, there's a group of people who seem to defy aging. They're in their 60s or 70s, but they move with ease and grace. When you ask about their exercise routine, they might look at you like you're speaking a foreign language. Because, believe it or not, they don't have one. No gym, no running, no structured workouts. Yet, they're in better shape than many young folks who hit the gym regularly. So, what's their secret? It's not some magical gene, it's a lifestyle. These individuals have unconsciously designed their lives to be a constant, low-intensity workout. And here's the kicker, their bodies interpret this movement as a purpose, not a chore. Let's break it down. NEAT is the energy we use for everything that's not sleeping, eating, or intense exercise. Think about it, walking to work, typing, gardening, even fidgeting. These trivial activities add up and can significantly impact our metabolism. And get this, for most people, NEAT is the main source of energy expenditure, not intense workouts. The research is mind-blowing. Studies show that NEAT can vary by a whopping 2,000 calories per day between people of the same weight, just because of their lifestyle. Imagine that. It's not about how hard you hit the gym, but how you live your daily life. Now, let's explore the habits of these effortlessly fit individuals. First, they cook their meals. Yes, cooking is a full-body activity. Chopping, stirring, bending, it's all movement. And they do it without even realizing it's exercise. Next, they take care of their homes. Vacuuming, cleaning, laundry, these tasks keep them active. It's like a hidden workout routine that also keeps their living space tidy. And here's a fun fact, if you do these chores, you could burn an extra 350 calories a day. Gardening is another secret weapon. It's not just a hobby, it's a full-body workout. Squatting, digging, carrying, it's all there. And the best part? They do it because they love it, ensuring consistency, which is key in fitness. They also walk for transportation, not just exercise. Walking to the store, to a friend's house, it's embedded in their daily routine. This removes the mental hurdle of exercising and makes movement a natural part of their day. Taking the stairs is a no-brainer for them. It's not a conscious decision but a habit. This automaticity is crucial because it doesn't drain their willpower. They carry things. Groceries, laundry, even their grandchildren. This natural resistance training maintains strength and balance, reducing the risk of falls as they age. These folks stand more than they sit. Standing while talking, reading, or cooking, it all adds up. And research shows that these simple NEAT movements can burn up to 2,000 extra calories and reduce health risks. Their social lives are active, too. Meeting friends for walks, playing with grandkids, it's all movement. Their social calendar is also a movement calendar, keeping them fit and socially engaged. They run errands themselves, making multiple small trips. This might seem inefficient, but it's a goldmine for NEAT. Each trip involves getting ready, walking, and carrying things, all of which contribute to their overall activity. Lastly, and most importantly, they have a purpose that keeps them moving. Whether it's gardening, cooking for loved ones, or being active in their community, their movement has meaning. Their body responds to this purpose, keeping them fit and capable. What's truly fascinating is that our modern world has stripped away these everyday movements, only to sell them back to us as structured exercise routines. But these fit individuals never made that trade-off. They've built a life where movement is natural and purposeful. This isn't about luck, it's about lifestyle design. It's about creating a life that moves, not just a workout routine. And that, my friends, is a powerful insight. So, are you ready to rethink your approach to fitness and embrace the power of NEAT?